My hobby, reading book and watch movie. What is your future plan, sir? How are you, sir?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. What is your name, bro?
Well, my name is Rakib Hassan. You can call me Rakib. And what about you?
My name is Rahat Sani and you call me Rahat. Where are you from, sir?
Well, basically, I'm from Noakhali, nearby Kumilla, in division of Chhatrapura. And what about you?
I'm from Jamalpur, nearby Mymensingh.
Well, recently I completed my degree first year exam and I promoted in degree second year. Right now I study in English fantasy. And what about you?
Recently complete my HEC exam and now I'm a student in English fantasy.
Well,
What is your father's name, sir?
yeah, well, my father's name is Abdul Mutin. He stay in now Bahrain. And what is your father's name?
My father's name is Al-Jahidul Islam. He is a businessman.
Well,
How many brothers and sisters do you have, sir?
well, I have no brother and also I have a sister, younger sister. His name is Sumaya Tar. What about you?
No, sir. I have three brothers and two sisters. My brothers still now stay in South Africa. What is your hobby, sir?
Well, my hobby is traveling, scrolling phone, and my favorite hobby is gaming. What is your favorite hobby?
My hobby, reading book and watch movie. What is your future plan, sir?
Yeah, my future plan is do a job or gain experience, and after that, I want to be a successful businessman. Well, thank you.
Thank you, sir.